Gutters will help you manage moisture around the outside of your home. Downspouts will help move that water away from the home. And French drains will help guide that water 15 to 10 feet from the perimeter of the home. Now, I like rock beds with a mesh, which is a vapor barrier underneath them, because the heated rock helps with the drying process after the rain is done. And also, you can see that in the corner flashing. That's gonna help move water along the side of the home and not allow moisture to enter the home. So those are some things that you can manage moisture with items on your house. So especially recommend homeowners, if you purchase a new home, make sure at least have gutters, downspouts. French drains, of course, don't come with the home, but usually gutters do. And if you don't have gutters, recommend you remove it. Installing gutters to help manage that water around your home. So when that evaporation process starts, you have that water far away from your home. So hope this helps. I know it's simple. It's small things that add up over time. So protect your home, protect your investment, especially on the exterior of your home. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Bye.